I need to tell you something important.
What does that mean?
I felt something really strong for you.
What do you mean?
I mean, I love you so much.
That sounds really big.
I've thought about it. It's always on my mind.
I still don't know what to say. I'm really surprised.
Okay, take it slow. I just want to know.
Thank you for saying that. You were brave and you were courageous.
Do you feel the same way?
I really like you, but I need time to think.
I understand. Let's take it slow.
I'd rather prefer. Let's see what's going on.
I'm glad to hear that. Can we go out this week?
Yes, that sounds good. No problem.
Is it a date?
Simplified.
Thanks for being honest with yourself.
Thank you for listening to me.
What do you want to do this weekend?
Can I go to the park? I love nature.
The park is nice and has lots of things to see.
We can have a picnic.
I love that idea. I'll bring some snacks and juice.
Fruit and cookies will be brought.
That's a really cool outing. I'm really happy about it.
I am too. It would be nice to spend time together.
Do you like watching the sun?
Yes. It's beautiful. You and you.
I love it. Can we go to the park together?
That would be great and I would like it.
Do you have a favorite spot in the park?
I love the rose garden. See.
I haven't seen it. Can you help me?
Okay. Roses look beautiful.
What's your favorite color of roses?
I love yellow roses. They symbolize friendship.
That's interesting. I like red roses because they mean love.
Red roses look beautiful too. Do you have another favorite place?
I like the lake because it's peaceful.
Yes, that happens. Do you like boating?
I tried. Are you okay?
Yes, I did once and it was really fun. Can we try it together?
That's cool. I love boating with you.
It's a good experience.
What makes you happy?
I love spending time with family. Are you okay?
This is being in nature, especially with someone special.
That's nice. I think we'll be together for a long time.
I believe in that. Do you have something special to do?
I'd like to take pictures of the park. Perfect for pictures.
This idea is very good. Let's keep our memories.
Yes, it's important to look at them later.
Can I ask you something?
Yes. What does that mean?
What is important in a relationship?
I think being confident and honest is very important. Are you okay?
I understand. I think understanding others is very important.
I think friendship is important for love.
I think so. Friendship is about trust and mutual understanding. Let's think like that.
I'm very happy about us. It's important to talk about these things.
Yes, it helps us understand each other better. What is the best way to show love?
I think being kind and listening is a good way to show love.
I understand. Do good things for others like donating or helping.
Do you know how we met?
Yes, it's at the library, isn't it?
You wanted a book on the top shelf and you couldn't get it.
I saw you running to get the book. It was cute. I showed up and got the book for you.
I was happy to help, but I was nervous to talk to you.
Is that okay? You seemed confident.
Pretend. I was thinking, wow, she's really good.
It's very funny. I wondered what kind of person you were. After that, I was still waiting for you at the library.
I also started visiting the library to meet you.
Then we came across science books again.
I dropped my notes and we picked them up.
Our heads bumped. It was like a movie.
I was embarrassed, but happy too. It was really nice.
I felt that too. I want to know you more. And now plan a picnic in the park.
It's amazing how little things can become big.
Fate brings us together at the library. Do you believe in something?
No. Some things are too special to be a coincidence.
I think you are special.
I'm glad we met.
Before we leave, I need to say something.
What is it?
I want you to know that you are special in my heart.
You're special to me too.
I am looking forward to the picnic. It will be fun.
Let's have a happy day to remember it.
The cookies are essential.
I'll remember that. Remember the snacks.
I was thinking of you. Take care so we can meet again.
Also, thanks.